So today I'm going to be working on taking the bike apart, taking all the broken parts off, seeing if there's any other damage that I didn't notice before. Because I did get a bunch of parts in already, so hopefully I'm going to be able to do this quickly. I did get a bike lift, which I'm excited to use. I do have to use styrofoam here because this wheel is too small for that section. So I'll have to be modifying this piece later on. So my audio went out, but this is just showing where the damage on the headlight is. So I've got the bike torn apart. This is what it looks like. This is the whole rear end. I took everything off. Took a look at the frame and everything. I don't see any frame damage. I took a look at the engine. Engine looks fine. So I eventually do think I want to replace the exhaust. I'm not sure if this bracket is bent because it does seem to be touching right here against the kickstand, but I'll have to figure that out. Other than that, I don't see any other damage. Everything down here looks fine. No damage at the bottom, underneath, sides. Radiator's all good. I took a look at all these brackets. Nothing's damaged here. Coolant is still full. And then obviously no damage on this side, but I did take everything off on this side as well, just so I can take a good look at everything. As well as I think since I have everything torn apart this much, I might as well give it a good cleaning, because you can see there's a lot of dust here and there's a lot of rocks and pebbles inside this area. From the accident. So I think I'm just going to do a really good cleaning before I start putting everything back together. But other than that, everything looks fine. I just started taking apart the controller, trying to figure out what's wrong with that. And did take the mirrors off as well. But we're good to go. And since I'm in the garage and don't have access to a hose and water, I'm going to be using this waterless car wash stuff. Hopefully I'll have enough to get through the whole bike. And then for the chain, I'm going to be using WD-40 and a Brillo pad. While cleaning the bike, I wanted to share a Bible verse for this week. 1 John chapter 1, verse 9, it says, "If we confess our sins, he is faithful and righteous to forgive us our sins and to cleanse us from all unrighteousness." So I finished cleaning up the chain. This is what it looks like. It's not perfect. There are still some areas that look a little pitted. So I will be replacing the chain in the next 1 or 2 weeks. But for now, it'll be fine. I did tension it as well and did double check to make sure the alignment is correct on both sides so that everything's aligned perfectly. So we should be good. Now all that's left is just to put the bike back together.